हैव यू एवर हर्ड अबाउट ओपन फॉर्म? ओपन फॉर्म क्या होता है? नहीं, पहली बार देने आ रहे हो क्योंकि तुम लोग कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर रहे हो जैसे सैनिक स्कूल की, तो बेटे वहां पे तो लीडर्स बनाए जाते हैं। मैं खुद पढ़ के आया हूं इसलिए तुमसे करवा रहा हूं, शायद स्कूल में होते भी नहीं होंगे। कैसा होता है ना, एक क्यूज दे देते हैं, जैसे मैंने तुम्हें एक क्यूज दी थी, क्या आर्मी ट्रेनिंग शुड बी कंपलसरी इन एवरी स्कूल और नॉट? अब कुछ ने बोला हाँ सर होनी चाहिए, कुछ ने बोला हाँ सर नहीं होनी चाहिए। अब इस पे क्या कर दें, अपने अपने रिव्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट करना बाय होल्डिंग माइक इन योर हैंड, और उस चीज को पूरी जनता के सामने, तुम इतने लोगों के सामने बोलोगे ना, तब तुम्हें रियलाइजेशन होगा हाँ यार डिफिकल्ट टास्क तो है। और बेटा उसको मजेदार हो जाता है कैसे, जब आप क्या करो, एकदम से कोई अगला बोल के हटे, आप बोलो सर आई वॉन्ट टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, या फिर आई वॉन्ट टू अपोज हिज पॉइंट, मैं इसके पॉइंट को अपोज करना चाहता हूं, मैं कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करना चाहता हूं, ये गलत बोल रहा है। अब तुम ऐसा करोगे ना तो तुम्हें रियलाइजेशन होगा कि तुम कितने स्ट्रांग हो, तुम कितने कैपेबल हो। और जो अपना पॉइंट रखना सीख जाए वो समझ लो एक बढ़िया लीडर बनेगा। तो लीडर तो बनोगे, बढ़िया से बढ़िया स्पीकिंग देनी है। मैं लैंग्वेज का कोई आप लोगों पर रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं लगा रहा, बट स्टिल आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, पहले बताया तो उसके पीछे कारण क्या था कि आप उसको थोड़ा सा समझ लो, प्रिपेयर कर लो, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम है। एज कितनी बेटा तेरी? 8 साल, ठीक है। तो 8-9 साल की एज में तुम्हें सीखना, मुझे पता है डिफिकल्ट होगा, लेकिन तुम्हें गाइड किया था, उस तरह से अपनी कोशिश करना, उस तरह से ट्राई करना, और बाकी जैसे बोल पाओ बस आज बोलना है। जितने बच्चे बैठे हो तुम सभी को बस क्या करना है, बोलना है, जैसा बोल पाओ। और जब तुम बोलोगे बेहतर करोगे, और जब बेहतर करोगे तो लीड भी करोगे। पता लगना चाहिए कोई बैच आया था सैनिक स्कूल का प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए और वो फोड़ के गया है, उस बैच के सारे बच्चे बहुत बेहतर कर रहे हैं। ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलना है, कोशिश करनी है, इंट्रो बढ़िया देना है, ठीक है बेटे? चलो शुरू करते हैं, फिर कौन बोलेगा पहले? ठीक है।
Good evening, all of you. I am Cadet Aradhya of Class 5th from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak in favor of the topic arm training should be mandatory in every coaching. Arm training helps students build strength, improve posture, and develop healthy habits from a young age. It can boost confidence and support overall physical fitness, making it a small regular part of coaching routines, encourages lifelong wellness and active lifestyles. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. I am Cadet Paridhi from Class 5th from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak in favor of the topic. Arm training should be mandatory in every coaching. There are several benefits of having compulsory military services. Compulsory army training learns your discipline, teamwork, dedication of the nation. Physical fitness. Physical fitness makes you physically strong, prepared and to help for emergency situation. Thank you.
I am Cadet Tanu of Class 8 from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak against the topic. I am strongly opposed the idea of making arms training mandatory in school. School are meant to be the places of peace, learning, and creativity, not the places to normalize weapons.
One and all present here. I am Cadet Nishang Angbar of Class 8 from CS Guru Mantra Academy, standing after you to present my views against the topic. Arm training should not be mandatory in every schools by the following ways. Number 1, different disengagement. Not all students may be interested in physical arm training that can lead lack of motivation or disengagement in physical education classes. Number 2, physical limitations. Some students may have physical limitations that make arm training uncomforting. Number 3, elective programs. Schools could offer elective programs or class focused on arm training, allowing interested students to participate voluntarily. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Cadet Devansh of Class 8 from CS Guru Mantra Academy. I am going to speak in against of the favor. As we all are students of the school and our body is still developing, and intense arm training can cause severe injuries in our body like muscle imbalance and fractures. Instead of focusing on a specific part of the body, let us promote activities that can promote overall fitnesses. We can play sports and games to improve our strength and fitness. Thank you.
I'm Cadet Harsh of 5th class from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak in favor in of the topic should arm training should be mandatory in every school. Arm training should be mandatory in every school because of physical development, injury prevention, and daily life benefit. Physical development. Arm training can improve overall physical fitness, strength, and coordination. Injury prevention. Strengthening arm muscles can help to prevent injury, especially in sports and activities that involve lifting, throwing, or falling. Daily life benefits. Stronger arms can make everyday tasks like carrying groceries and or lifting heavy objects and less strain. Thank you.
I am Cadet Pushpak Yadav of Class 8 from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak in favor of the topic that army training should be mandatory in every school. Army training, I strongly believe that army training should be mandatory in every school because it builds up discipline, courage, and responsibility on students, and they become more physically fit and mentally strong. Trained youth can help others, help the citizens. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Cadet Arsh Mishra of Class 8 from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak against the topic. Mandatory arm training in every school is a contentious issue by the following ways. First, it can lead to increased pressure and stress on students. Second, it also requires significant resources including trainer and facilities. Third, it also takes more time and potentially taking away from other subjects like math, science, ST, etc. Fourth, excessive focus on arm training have a negatively impact on their academic performance. So I think arm training should not be mandatory in every school. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Cadet Kavisha Gangwa of class 4th from CS Guru Mantra Academy is going to speak in favor of the topic security. Some believe that military training is necessary for the security of the country, especially in situation where there is an external threat. Trained women can help in rescue and relief operation during disaster. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Cadet Aman Ali of class 5th. Preparing for Sainik School is going to speak on topic arm training should be mandatory in every school. Improved physical fitness. Arm training can enhance overall physical fitness and strength and endurance. What's confidence mastering arm exercises can enhance self-confidence and self-esteem. Thank you.